Introducing the custom diaper bag made by Burps. It comes with 2 handles for extra strength and comfort when wearing. What makes this bag unique from any other bag is what is found on the inside. When you open up the flap, you are greeted by 4 separate compartments. This makes organizing your baby's needs simple. There's a compartment for clothing, toys, snacks, sippy cups, and formula. What is also unique about this bag is it comes with its own detachable changing pad. It is held closed by these 2 adorable buttons. Just unbutton and roll it out. You now have a clean, padded surface for your baby. It has an outer cover for you to lay your baby on and an inner cover that is waterproof. When it is time to clean, it is easily removed by unzipping. Located at the bottom of the bag is the pocket for your diaper storage. It is a very large pocket and you have plenty of room for any type of diaper, whether it be disposable or cloth. The pocket can also be used for soiled clothing or soiled cloth diaper storage. Above are 2 straps for holding your wipes container. Velcro allows them to be fully adjustable. Pockets provide storage for creams, lotions, sanitizers, cell phones, wallets, and even a book. Burps custom diapers come in a variety of colors and patterns. You may purchase them fully decorated or have them left plain for your own personalization. If you are a mom or you know a mom-to-be, this is a diaper bag to have. It's cute and it's functional. Order yours today.